So today we are going to perform a quick activity, and in this activity we are going to find information about evolution of storage devices. So what we need to do is you are given three time periods. The first time period is 1970 till 1980, then 1980 to 1990, then 1990 to 2000. So you have to search the storage devices that were invented or used in these time periods. So let's get started. So this is my Google homepage, and I'll type over here evolution of storage. Can get the information from. So let's check out our first website. So first website that is given to us by Google is evolution of storage devices. And see, they have made a flowchart also. In 1967 floppy disk was invented, then 1982 compact disk came into existence, then 1994 USB drive were there, and since 2006 we have cloud computing also. So all of these you can read the information, take out the information that you want, and then write it down in your notebook. You can also visit one more website that you can use. Okay, let's see what this website gives us. So when I open this website, this also has the name, the evolution of storage devices. Now let's see what we have over here. So we have pictures also over here. The name of the device is given, the storage device, then the information about it is given. So yes, that's all that we require, right? So check your year, check the time period that you have to mention, and from that time period you can take any one storage device. And okay, so what you need to do is open your notebook, and in your notebook you have to write name of the storage device that you are using, and then you will write one or two sentences, or the sentences that you find useful, the information about that particular storage device and the year in which it was invented. So you have to write this much and take a picture of your activity and upload it on the Padlet link that is given on the main instructions page. I hope it was useful.